dear friend, welcome to my channel. And in this video I'm going to share with you how you can add someone in your friend, or how can you get a add friend button in BeReal apps. Okay, so here you can see the BeReal app. Just click on this, and after that go to discovery, or you can select any profile. Just I'm gonna on discovery, and then choose a ID. Okay, choose a ID, which ID you wanna um, adding in your friend list. So I just click here, and here you can see the option add friend. Okay, so when you click there, add friend, and they will get notification. Then if they accept it, then he or she will become your friend. Okay friend, I hope this video is so helpful. Please consider to subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching this tutorial.